to Babysit a Grandpa by Jean Reagan. Babysitting a grandpa is fun if you know how. When your grandpa rings the doorbell, what should you do? Hide! You might wiggle and want to giggle, but don't yell, "Grandpa!" Not yet. Shh. How to stay quiet. Pretend you're a shark waiting for lunch. Act like a pirate spy. Be as still as a lion statue. As soon as your grandpa says, "I give up," pop out and shout, "Here I am!" When your mom and dad leave, pat your grandpa's hand and say, "Don't worry, they always come back." Then right away, ask him if he's hungry. Snacks for grandpa. Ice cream topped with cookies. Olives served on fingertips. Anything dipped in ketchup. Cookies topped with ice cream. The end.